Yo, what is going on, everybody? I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to vanish a playing card, and actually pretty visually. I do use this. It works pretty well, and I'm going to show you one other way you can do it to make it more convincing. So anyways, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so here's what the vanish is going to look like. So we'll take a card like this, and if I actually just palm it off like so, you can tell I'm palming it off, but it kind of looks like it vanishes, sort of. So look, I'm going to try it one more time. So look, if I palm it off, I'm actually just going to completely vanish it. So that is the 10th vanish. So yeah, I'm going to get into that right now. Okay guys, so basically this is actually very easy. So all you're going to do is just hold the deck in dealer's grip like this, and then you're just going to take one card and put it on your thumb, and your thumb will just hold it up. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to drop the card. That's literally the move, is just dropping the card. So basically the first time you actually palm the card and you tell them, look, so if I palm the card away, it kind of looks like it vanishes, right? And then you show them that you're just palming it. Then you do it again, but this time what's happening is when I cover the card, as soon as I cover it, I just drop the card there, and then I come away like I'm palming it again. And you want to make your fingers look like you're palming it, and then you kind of vanish it like that. You can show there's nothing there. So it's really easy, so I'll just go over it one more time. So you just want to hold the card up like this, you come over, as soon as you come over, you just drop that card on top, and then this hand is literally doing nothing, it's just coming over like it's palming it, because you don't come here and palm it like this, right? You want to make it look like you're legit palming it. So however your hand looks like when you're palming a card, like when you palm it the first time like this, you want it to look like that when you're doing it the second time like this, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to show you one discrepancy. Not discrepancy, that's not what I meant. One extra thing that will make this maybe a bit more convincing. Yeah, that's what I meant. So if you actually take if you take double stick tape like this, you can actually take off a piece. If you don't have double stick tape and you're doing magic tricks, definitely recommend getting this. You kind of need it, honestly. So you're gonna put it on the top card like this, okay? So just put it on the top card like that. Now you're gonna take another card so that the piece of tape is still on the top. You can hear that because it's sticking to my finger. And you take a random card that doesn't have the tape and you put it here. You show them, like the 2 of hearts, you show them the card, you put it here. You do the same thing as before. You palm it off and you say, see, you might want to like cover the deck so that they don't see the tape, and then you show, see, like I'm just palming it, but it kind of looks like it vanishes, right? Then you put it back on again and you show like it's still the 2 of hearts. Then you actually do the move, but when you drop it, it's gonna fall on that double stick tape, and then you can come over and like do a vanish, right? And then your thumb can just press down a bit so that it will actually stick to the double stick tape, and you can hand them the deck to look for the card, and it will actually be completely gone because it's actually behind this card. So when they spread through, it's just stuck to it. So that is one discrepancy, or why do I keep saying discrepancy? That is one convincer you can do. I definitely recommend doing that if you have double stick tape. It makes it look a lot better. So anyways, that is the video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And anyways, I'll see you guys next time.